Okay, Frank, this is a little tutorial on how to change columns in your queries. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my database. I'm using Access 2007. Hopefully you got the same thing. Hopefully your screen looks the same. Up at the top I've got Home, Create, External, Database Tools. I'm going to open the foreclosure query, and there's our foreclosure query. What I think, if my understanding is correct, what you want to do is add columns or delete columns or rearrange the columns that show up in any particular query. So let me show you how to do that, and let me show you how to do that in the foreclosure query. So here I am. Up in the top left corner, you're going to see a button that says Views. Pencil there and a little protractor. Click on Views, go down to Design View, and that's what we come up with. Alright. Down the bottom we've got our 5 columns that come up on our foreclosure query. They're in the order that they come up in. You've got the field, the table that it's using. We're basically getting everything from the owner's table. How you want to sort it, ascending, descending, and if you want to show this column. The box is checked, this column is going to appear. This column will appear in the same order that you've put them here. So in our query we've got 5 columns showing up in this particular order. These are the 5 we're going to see when we run our query. Simply uncheck the box, run your query, and now unit number doesn't come up. I want to put unit number back on there, of course. Go to our design view. Check the box under units. Now units will come up. Some of the columns like foreclosure and water, those are simply yes or no cells. So foreclosure, you either check the box it's in foreclosure or you leave the box unchecked, it's not in foreclosure. In this particular query we only want to see the foreclosure properties. That's why we got the -1. If I wanted to put 0 there, it's going to show me just the properties that are not in foreclosure. Run my query, boom. There's my units that are just not in foreclosure. Alright, go back to design view. In this particular query I want to see just the properties that are in foreclosure. So a -1 or a not, which means any property that's the box is checked under foreclosure will show up. Run my query. Now we're back to just the foreclosed properties. You can put your columns in any order you want to. You can move these around and they're easier to read, or the information matches. To add columns, simply click on an empty column. Your drop down menu is going to show every single thing we have in our owner's table, and you can add some. You can add as many as you want. Make the query as effective as you want. Now I've just added tenant's driver's license number and pets to this particular foreclosure query. Run my query, and now those columns show up. Alright, let me go back and change those, get rid of those. No, those columns won't show up. We're back to our normal query as it was. Alright, I hope that helps. If you got any questions, give me a call. So what the button you're looking for appears in the top left hand corner is under View. And you need design view, and you press design your view however you want it. Alright, thanks buddy. Got any questions? Happy to help.